Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a new folder in your Google Drive using your mobile device. Now let us begin. As you can see, this right here is the interface for Google Drive. If you have not installed it, install it right now. It is quite easy. Once you've signed in, this right here is the interface. Now let's simply try to create a new folder. At the bottom right, you will see a button like this that says New. Simply click on it, and from here it's gonna provide you with a few options like this, like folders, the main thing we're looking for, upload, scan and everything. Right now we're only gonna click on the folder button right here, and then something like this will open up right from there. It's asking us to name our new folder. I'm just gonna name it right now. Once the naming has been done, simply hit on create. And guys, that is it. As you can see, a new folder has been created. That's the gist of it, guys. That's how we create a new folder in your Google Drive using your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.